Hey guys, this is Chad with Tech Oasis, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a signature in Gmail. So let's get started. Alright, so what we're going to want to do first is navigate to Gmail. And once we get into Gmail, you're going to look at the far top right, and you're going to see a small cogwheel icon. You're going to click on that, that's your settings icon. And once that pulls up, you're going to want to click on See All Settings. So once we get in here, you're going to see a bunch of different options listed and a bunch of different tabs at the top. So yes, it looks a little confusing, but the only one that we're looking at right now is this general tab that we're in right now. So go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to want to scroll down almost all the way to the bottom until you see signature along the left-hand side here. And so we don't have a signature, so we need to create one. So you're going to click on that. And we're just going to call this Gmail signature. And we're going to go ahead and create that. And so as you can see here, this is just like your basic text editor. It's going to allow you to make some provisions on the color and the size, font, so on and so forth. So in here, you're just probably going to type your name, position you do at your company, and your phone number. And maybe you want to add your website. Alright, so add our website here. Alright, so we can style this up a little bit. Let's bold this, our name, and make it larger. And we can also change the color of it. So just make that blue. Let's italicize our position here, and let's make our website bold. All right, so after we get done with this, as far as the signature defaults, we are going to click and select Gmail signature. For all new emails you use, we want to use this signature. And then, of course, when we are replying or forwarding an email, we also want to select and use our Gmail signature. All right, so after that is done, I also like to click on Insert Signature before quoted text and replies. And so this just removes those two little dashes. So after we get this all done, we want to go ahead and save those changes. And we're going to go into Compose here, and as you can see our new signature showed up. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, go ahead and click the like button on this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I hope you have a great one, and I'll see you on the next video.